Assalamualaikum guys, hope so you all are well. So today we are going to have a lecture on Oxford Progressive English for grade 1. So today we are going to do unit number 3 lesson 6 instructions. Activity number A, making a sandwich. So we are going to make a sandwich today and you can do this activity at your home very easily during this lockdown. So what do you need? You need 2 slices of bread, a packet of butter, a jar of jam, a knife and a big plate to make sandwich. So what to do? What you have to do? You have to wash your hands, then you have to put 2 slices of bread on a plate. Get a knife, put some butter on one slice of bread with the knife. You have to use the knife and spread some butter on the one slice of bread. Put some jam on the other slice of bread with a knife. Put one slice of bread on top of the other slice. So you have to put one slice of bread on the other. Then you have to cut the sandwich in half. You have to cut the sandwich in half. Eat the sandwich and it's tasty. It's tasty. Activity number B, complete the sentences with the words in the box. First we are going to read the words in the box. Put twice, eat, wash, get and cut. Then we are going to complete this paragraph using these words. First, you dash your hands. So the first thing before we cook is we wash our hands. We wash our hands. So you have to wash your hands. Then you dash a knife. Then you get a knife. Then you get a knife. You dash butter and jam on the slices of bread. You put butter. You put butter. Next, you dash one slice of bread on the top of the other slice. Then you again put one slice of bread on the top of other slice. You dash the sandwich in half. You cut the sandwich. You cut the sandwich in half. Finally, you eat the sandwich. Finally, you eat the sandwich. Now, I'm going to repeat the paragraph again. First, you wash your hands. Then you get a knife, you put butter and jam on the slices of bread. Next you put one slice of bread on the top of the other slice. You cut the sandwich in half. Finally you eat the sandwich. Activity number C, match the following. So we have to match these according to those figures. So a glass of water, a glass of water. A cup of, over here, a cup of tea, a cup of tea. A slice of bread, a slice of bread. A jar of jam. A packet of butter, a packet of butter. A glass of water, a cup of tea, a slice of bread, a jar of jam and a packet of tea. Okay, so we have covered unit number 3 lesson 6 instructions, and I hope you love the video. If you love the video, then thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want a lecture on some specific topic, then comment below the video or DM me on Instagram. My ID is over your screen. I will meet you tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Allah Hafiz.